Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Seneca County, northeastern Yates County, southwestern KHA County, north central Tompkins County until 3:15 p.m. At 2:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lodi Station for 8 miles east of Henryville, moving at 35 miles per hour, 60 miles per hour outside Hillside Hill. Source, radar indicated. Locations impacted include Penn, Kilmer, Genoa, Landers, Aurora, Holt, Interlaken, Dresden, Lodi, and Keywood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Seneca Lake and Cayuga Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the